The preparing panel includes Part Navigator, Detail, and Clipping. First, let's talk about Part Navigator. In the Part Navigator, you can check the part's name, color, and quality. Check the part indicates that the part is selected. Click and change the small eyes to hide or show the part. Double-click the circle to change the color of the part. If the quality of the part is shown as exclamation mark, the part needs to be repaired. If the quality of the part is shown as a check mark, it means the quality of the part is in good condition and no repair is required. If the part quality is displayed as gray bar, double-click the bar to update the quality. Right-click the part. You can do more with the part, include delete, rename, and export part. Voxeldance Additive could export part as STL, OBJ, and 3MF, etc. Press Shift or Ctrl. Click, then check the part. You can select multiple parts. In the Detail panel, you can check more information of the part. Most importantly, if you select multiple parts, you can view the total number of the parts. The Clipping panel is very useful, especially when checking part cross-sections and simulation printing slices. Select a plane. Choose the plane normal. Change the normal direction by clicking the arrow beside. Click and drag the slider of the step to reveal part cross-section quickly, or press up and down on the keyboard to check the part cross-sections layer by layer. The spacing of each layer is determined by the size of the step. Many experienced engineers will use the up and down keys to check whether the support has missed the lowest point layer by layer. Please note that you need to operate in the current plane panel, otherwise there will be no change.